Let's improve your website's page speed with image optimization. Here I am working on a client pajamas. Pretty cool if you're a parent, you understand the value in these. These are pajamas with built-in liners, so they're an alternative to diapers for potty training. I was just typing up an email on the updates we made for their website today and figured I'd share it with you. So here we go. First thing we did is convert their images from PNG to JPEGs. JPEGs are just lighter files. So you can open that up in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can Google GIMP. It's a free image editing program. Open the PNG, just export it as JPEG, that easy. Next thing we did was scale images. So if you look here, I use gtmetrics.com. This will help identify page speed issues. So you can see the fully loaded time was pretty brutal, 11.7 seconds. And if we look at these images, it's saying, this example image here is 1200 pixels wide by 1800 tall. You can see that right here, pretty big image. But we're only showing it at 399 by 416. You can see if I scroll down here, right there, right? That's way smaller than this. So what that means is your customer's browser, device, phone, whatever it is, has to load this huge image just to turn around and shrink it back down. That causes unnecessary load. So what we did is just scale it to the actual display size to make it load quicker. After that, what we did is compress images. So image compression takes and hides or eliminates hidden data. There's hidden data on your images. It could be if it's a photo where the photo was taken, the latitude and longitude, the camera, the aperture, all sorts of different things. If you created the image, it might say it was created in Photoshop, Illustrator. So all this hidden data adds to the file size. So by eliminating that, you can keep the picture quality, but you remove that hidden data, which improves the page speed. You can see here, there's some savings, 13%, 10%, and this is actually after we already converted to JPEG. So if we're going PNG to JPEG saves way more that we don't even have on the screen here, but then again, going from JPEG to a compressed JPEG saves even more. Now you can see names for search engine readability. These images used to be things like Mosaic Right 1200, and so we converted those to stopbedwetting.jpg. So don't just keyword stuff them, name them something that's relevant to what it actually is. So in this case, it's relevant to a keyword target, and that's actually what the picture is. Last we did is good old image alts. There was an opportunity to add image alt text. So what image alts are, if you don't know, is for visually impaired. They can, some browsers have readers and they'll tell visually impaired people what the image is about. And then it's also a cue for search engines. So if I hover over this, you'll see it pop up, diaper alternative for potty training. And so it tells Google what the image is about. Now this had huge savings. There's still room to go, but it shaved off 5 seconds. So they went from 11.7 seconds down to 6.3. Now the remaining things I'm going to chat with them about are tracking scripts and third-party things, so I can't edit those right now because they serve another purpose. But nonetheless, you can see we shaved off 5 seconds, which is a massive improvement. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps.